I'm fine. They trying to make me go to rehab, but I say no, no, no. You guys right here. No, you put these yard first. You I saw you. Yeah.
What about the name Rose? That's the last thing Liz Meekin said before she died. That a Mr. Rose can help her.
Liz would never know his life.
Last week, which means probably on the boat. So we don't have...
Hey y'all, I'm just editing a video. I just ate some leftovers from yesterday. So now I'm about to edit this video and just chill like a villain. Probably gonna put on some music while I do this. Yeah. Some music. I need some more artists. Somebody like put me on to some more artists.
What makes up a full life?
Yeah.
Be there to lend a hand.
Put me on to some artists so I can listen to some of the music. I need some more music. I like everything. I like all types of music. I love all types of music, every genre of music. All of it. Alright though. I was just coming to check in and maybe actually get to talking to y'all, because I don't think I was talking to y'all, or have not been talking to y'all since this vlog started. It is 5:32. Let me close this, because every time I open this, I do not be looking at I be looking at the camera. I be looking at something else. But no. 5:32. January 2nd. Y'all took some pictures? Let me go show y'all. I need my phone to focus. I took this on Halloween. Cute picture. But nah, let me show y'all these pictures. I hope it focus. Like, come on. Don't be being extra. I got some oxtails and some rice.
I look forward to speaking with you tonight about business opportunities overseas. Our plant in Munich is getting fantastic returns because of strong leadership.
Because I need some
Knowing how to get things
juice
done.
on this rice.
That's correct. Near the 3, Tom, you could be the 4th, like
you
you're
can
playing
get juice
golf.
on the rice.
And good luck, we need a proper 5th general.
If you know how to eat rice for real. And I'm a whore for rice.
Won't you please step in?
To the general.
The gentleman.
I love some rice.
Talk about following the wrong guy home.
Hey my darling besties. It's like 11 something and I'm about to go buy like Oki and water and everything, because I have not been feeling great. These past few days I have not been feeling great at all. So I'm gonna come sit for a little while. But hey, I have not been vlogging these. Ooh, get the fuck out of me. But hey y'all, I have not been vlogging or anything. I don't know. I have not been feeling anything. Like, I have just been a little off. So, I'm gonna come sit, maybe write a little bit, come talk to my besties. Not to y'all besties, because I'm just checking in. But, y'all, they have put a freaking gate. Let me show y'all. They have put this freaking gate right here. It says push. They like it? Oh, I was about to say. But yeah, I haven't came since last year. My babies. Let me properly introduce y'all to everyone again, because I haven't seen them in a while. And if you're new, Hello y'all, my name is Heaven. Hey everyone, hello world. But if you're new, my name is Heaven. These are my best friends in the whole wide world. My most trusted fans. This right here is Cherry Plum. She's a cherry tree. And like in the summer, she is really, she's a very bright red. I don't know if I still have pictures of her, but in the summer, she's a very bright red. And this is Cherry Plum. I picked some cherries from her before. But, you know, during the winter, they start to fall. Hey, Cherry Plum. Hey, girl. Go on, you kisses. So that's Cherry Plum. And then I have introduced myself to this tree, but I never named her yet. Me and her aren't that close, I would say. But I just got to get there. Hold on. This is my girl. This right here is Nissa. Nissa, girl. This is my girl. Hi, baby. How you doing? This right here is Nissa. This is my girl, too. For sure. That's my girl right there. And then if you keep going, it's just, yeah. This is my safe heaven for me just to talk. Because sometimes, I don't know, I talk, they listen, and give me answers when I need them. Hey, Okie. Hi, baby. This is Okie. This is Okie. And Okie is just my baby. Is your soil wet? I can't sit by you today, baby. Your soil wet. And I already don't feel too good. I'm gonna get a little, what's the name? How you doing? All right. And I'm gonna show y'all when I'm over there, but I want to talk to Okie, and that's between me and Okie. All right, see y'all later. That is where I sit, either right there or I go down. Let me show y'all. I either sit right there on this edge before you go down, or I go down and I sit right down there. And I just sit. And I just sit in the water. The water's pretty low today. Sometimes the water be high, but today it's pretty low. Back there is like a school. So sometimes you hear the kids playing. The different trees. Hello, my besties. I took a nap today, and now I'm going to Starbucks because I kind of want to start. I'm a little hungry. I want a croissant or something from Starbucks. I took me a wonderful nap after y'all seen me last. Hello. Can I try a bacon sausage and egg wrap? Is it good? We don't have a bacon sausage and egg wrap right now. Alright, it's alright. Can I just get a croissant? A ham and Swiss croissant. Let me get 2 of those. Yeah. That's all, baby.
Alright. Maybe 10:46. Also, I'm vegetarian, so I've never had
know.
So it wouldn't have
You wouldn't have known if it was what's the name?
Yeah.
I still have to think about going vegetarian, but I don't know.
It's I mean, I've been vegetarian for
I think last time we talked, you told me 12, 16 years.
15, yeah.
I remember. Bag secured. Bags are fucking secured. Now I'm about to go to, I got 2 of them. I'm about to go inside of, where am I going inside of? I'm going inside Harris Teeter because that's where Alexander met. Put one in my pocket and eat one at a time. And I know they probably go one apiece. Did I get my card? Oh, it's in my pocket. Honestly, y'all, I wasn't supposed to spend no money, but I'm hungry. Hungry as hell, really. I don't think I feel like vlogging inside of here. I was just coming to check in. So, on that note, I'm gonna talk to y'all later.
Stay the same and maintain it. Safe to say the kid get older. Forever gang, I'm never switching over. Made a lane and niggas can't get over. I can't mess with rappers, they be bogus. Rather get the pack and keep it open. Big dripper stand up in the ocean. Everybody trapping, we get lost. He ain't 4PF, but he ain't got motion. Made a half a ticket off promotion. Shout out Switch and Sweet and keep me rolling. But if we get the op, we gotta slow. Ride around with Drake, like we OVO. I got some rats and I want some. Still got a pass in the hood, call it give and go. Keep a nigga.
Well, hello my darling besties. I haven't seen y'all in a while, but I'm putting it up. When me first started putting up her dresser, and I just thought to check in. That's what we're doing. She got it from IKEA. And it's Mount. Who needs a man when you got look? Who needs a man when you have a power drill? Okay. Nah, but we're putting up the dresser, listening to music. And that's the vibe, you know. That's the vibe. I'm just coming to check in because you haven't seen me in a while. And yeah, smooches, I missed you guys. Smooches.
I'm in the club, niggas can't get behind us. They call it trip, but I call it designer. I'm on these people who step out the lineup. Said I'm hard to touch, but it's not hard to find it. Speaking the sharp, it's not hard to find it.
What I tell you about these screws?
WYB.
Let me tell you something. You keep biting me, I'ma bite you back. Okay?
My ear.
Let me tell you.
Let me tell you something. Put it back.
This is a good boy. He potty again. He's potty on the mat again. Oh, good boy. I can trust you now. Good boy. I think
You ain't gotta do with none of these niggas no more. If we hop in the beans, is that okay? Is it okay if I call you my product, baby? I ain't no player, I just got a lot of faith. But let me tell you, I like you a lot, baby. I wanna start at the top and the bottom, baby.
Hey y'all. I'm chilly, but it's okay. It's 2:07, January 11th. I don't know if y'all can see my screen or not, but if y'all can't, that's cool. If y'all can, that's also cool. But it's Wednesday, January 11th at 2:07, and I'm actually quite sleepy, but I'm trying to take a nap, so I'm not gonna lay down. I'm gonna sit up, eat some chips, drink me some water. And I'm about to watch Des Dior because she posted a YouTube video today. And I like watching her. Des Dior is kind of cool. I like her YouTube videos. Oh, what's that name? Jada posted one too. But yeah, Des Dior. If I didn't know, Des Dior does have a YouTube channel, and like you get to see more of her on her YouTube channel, which is kind of cool. I like her YouTube channel. She posts like vlogs, so it's kind of interesting. And I like it. That's what I'm about to do. I'm about to watch that. Wow, I already started earlier, like last night. Did she post it last night? I was this one. It wasn't seriously. What time did she post it? Oh yeah, she posted it 18 hours ago. So. But yeah, I'm watching it. I'm about to go ahead, eat my chips, got my water. Hey, let's get this show on the road. And shout out to my sister for giving me some hot fries, because I've been craving hot fries. And she got me some. Love, 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 love.